Well, the men linked to the 2 billion rand looting at VBS Mutual Bank will appear in the Palm Ridge Magistrate's Court. 7 suspects were arrested during a raid in June last year. At the time, the 8th suspect was reported to be in isolation due to the coronavirus. For more now, let's chat to SABC News reporter Chriselda Lewis. Chriselda, a very good morning to you. Developments in this case, what's the latest?
Well, a very good morning to you, Blaine. Well, we're expecting this matter to be postponed this morning, as we understand that the state is still finalising the process to add additional accused and serve a new indictment. So, of course, you'd recall, Blaine, last year that this matter had, of course, taken several turns, with the VBS Chief Financial Officer, Philip Truter, turning a state witness, him pleading guilty to corruption, fraud and racketeering charges. He's currently serving a 7-year jail sentence. So his testimony, once this trial starts, will be key in this case, because as Chief Financial Officer, he would have known the bank's books and how they were allegedly manipulated. So he's expected to give evidence against his former colleagues. But at this morning's court appearance, we're not expecting much, but a postponement, as those additional arrests and charges that the state had anticipated would be finalized now has not yet happened. But the accused have already started arriving here behind me. You see towards my right here, and the expectation is that this matter would not take much time inside this court this morning, Blaine.
Right. Chriselda, are we getting any indication about these additional arrests in terms of the number of additional arrests?
Absolutely no indication at this stage, Blaine, but you'd recall at the last postponement in this matter last year, the state had indicated that it had hoped that when the case does resume this year today, that there would be additional arrests that would be made and additional charges being added to the accused. But at this particular stage, I think also due to quite a number of issues relating to COVID-19, there are some delays in that particular matter, and I do suspect that this case will be postponed here today for about possibly 4 to 6 weeks. That I cannot confirm, but it will be several weeks before this matter does come back to court again. But at this particular stage, no indication in terms of exactly how many accused will be added to this particular case, how many more arrests will be made, what charges will be added in this particular matter. But at this particular time, all we can say is that this matter will be postponed this morning for that exact purpose again.
We seem to have lost Chriselda there, but you got the gist with regards to the case there, the VBS case. We will try to get back to Chriselda to get further developments with regards to that, but she expects it to be postponed. As you heard, additional accused, additional arrests as well on the cards. So Chriselda Lewis will bring us the very latest. We thank her very much indeed for her reporting. Well, so